Hey friends, it is time for some Unit 2 practice. So we're going to start by warming up with our sounds. Ready? A, apple, A. A, safe, A. E, egg, E, jeep, E. I, itch, I, pine, I. O, octopus, O, home, O. U, up, U, mule, U. Rule, U. C-H, chin, ch. T-H, thumb, S-H, ship, sh. Let's take a look at some of our sounds. Try to read the sound before I do. I, E, sh, U, oo. A, I, B, ch, O, D. Now we're going to go from top to bottom. Again, say the sound before I do. I, B, O, E, ch, sh, I, q, U, oo, D. You can come back to this page at any time to practice your sounds. Now we're going to do some word chaining. And we're going to start with this word. This word says, yes, and in order to make, never mind. Okay, so when I add an E to rid, I now have, yes, ride. The E helps the I say its name. I have ride. Now I have the word, yes, road. This is going to be a long O. The E helps the O say O. I had road. Now I have, yes, roll. I have roll. Now I have, yes, mole. I have mole. Now the word says, yes, pole. I had pole. Now I have pile. I have pile. Now I have, yes, mile. I have mile. Now my word says, yes, tile. I have tile. Now I have, yes, tide. Let's read some phrases. If you need to pause the video now to read the phrases on your own, go ahead and do that. And then we'll go over them together. First word. Yes, snake. The A and the E are buddies. E makes the A. Say A. Snake. Yes, in. What's the last word? Yes, crate. The E makes the A. Say A. Read the whole phrase. Snake in crate. Let's look at the next phrase. First word. Yes, A or a. Next word. Yes, strong. Last word. Yes, gate. The E makes the A. Say A. Read the whole phrase. A strong gate. Let's do some spelling. First word. Say meat. Tap meat. Eat. Let's write the letters as we say the sounds. Eat. Spell meat. M-E-E-T. Meat. Say shape. Tap shape. Shape. There are sounds in shape. Let's write the sounds, write the letters as we say the sounds. Sh. What says sh? SH says sh. A. P. But I need that E at the end for the A to say its name. Otherwise, it just says shap. But we want shape. So I'm going to put the E after the consonant after the vowel. Spell shape. S-H-A-P-E. Shape. The next word we're going to spell is bone. Say bone. Tap bone. B-one. There are 3 sounds in bone. Let's write the letters as we say the sounds. B-O-N. Well, right now my word says bon, but I want the O to say O, so I need that E at the end. Now my word says bone. Spell bone. B-O-N-E. Bone. My next word is mute. So if you don't want any sound, you want mute. Say mute. Tap mute. 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 Well, right now my word just says mutt. I need an E at the end so the U will say you. Spell mute. M-U-T-E. Mute. The last word I'm going to spell right now is fine. Say fine. Tap fine. Fine. There are 3 sounds in the word fine. Let's write the letters as we say the sounds. Fine. Well, right now my word just says fin. I need that E at the end so the I will say I. Spell fine. F-I-N-E. Fine. Let's start at the top of the list and read our words. First word. Yes. Meat. Next word. Yes. Shape. Word. Yes. Bone. Word. Yes. Mute. Word. Yes. Fine. Now we'll go back up the list. Word. 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 Awesome job reading. Let's write some phrases. Okay, say 9 green cubes. How many words are in my phrase? 9 green cubes. I have 3 words in my phrase. If you need to pause the video now to write your phrase on your own, go ahead and do that, and then we can check our work together. Okay, so our phrase is 9 green cubes. What are the sounds in 9? Nine. That word says nin. How am I going to make I say I? I need an E at the end for 9 to say 9. And then I've got my finger space. Sounds in green. G, R, E. E, E says E. G, R, E-N. Finger space. And the word cubes. Cubes. Oh, gotta pay attention for that suffix S. So when I hear the suffix S at the end of the word cubes, I'm thinking to myself, what is the base word? The base word of cubes. Yes, cube. So we're going to spell cube first, and then we'll add the suffix S. What are the sounds in cube? K. Cube. That says cub. How am I going to make cube say? I need that E, that's right. Now the U will say you, and the word will say cube. Let's read our phrase together. Ready? 9 green cube. What do we need to add? The suffix S to say 9 green cubes. Let's take a look at our next phrase. Say smoke and fire. How many words are in our phrase smoke and fire? Smoke and fire. We have 3 words. If you need to pause the video now to write it on your own, go ahead and do that. And then we'll check it together. The first word, smoke, sounds in smoke. Smoke. Oh, how is O going to say O? We need that silent E or that magic E. We need O to have a buddy to say O. Smoke. finger space. And, sounds in and, finger space. Fire, sounds in fire. Fire. This is fur. How many make it say fire? I. We need that E for I to say I. Let's read that second phrase again. Ready? Smoke and fire. Good work today, friends. We will see you next time.